I'm Lance Okeke, Associate Professor of Medicine at Duke University School of Medicine and Infectious Diseases. And I'm the co-founder of E2P, and we're here on the campus of the University of Texas at Austin for our 20th Evidence to Practice workshop on HIV prevention.
I'm Russell Campbell, the Director at the Office of HIV/AIDS Network Coordination, or HANC, also one of the co-founders of E2P.
And I'm Kenric Ware. I'm a clinical associate professor of pharmacy practice at Mercer University College of Pharmacy in Atlanta. Another co-founder of E2P. Really glad to be here alongside Lance and Russell.
Great. And yes, we now are into the sixth year of this work of Evidence to Practice workshop, a collaboration between the three of us. I started at a conference for HBCU collaboration through the Centers for AIDS Research nationally, back in Nashville, Tennessee. And this is now our 20th workshop, and we really continue to feel passionately about this work because we know that to end the HIV epidemic, we need a all hands on deck approach, really engaging the healthcare professionals of the future from multiple disciplines, including pharmacy. So that's why we're here, and we feel passionate about engaging nursing schools, medical schools, but especially pharmacy schools into this fight to end HIV once and for all.
And when I think about this work, it's always a joy for me to be able to interact with these students and to see their passion and interest in addressing the HIV epidemic, especially when we're here in places like this in the South, where we know that communities of color are disproportionately impacted, and to see students realize that there's an opportunity for them to make a difference. This is really meaningful to be a part of this work.
And to piggyback on the difference that Russell is referring to, so not a difference for tomorrow, a difference for today. The students have answers right now, as we love to dub it as context expertise, right? They bring us insights that we don't have, and that's why we're here hanging out in Austin with them to really glean from their understanding and how they see contextually what we can do a better job of to inform us in our work. And as Dr. Okeke mentioned, with 20 stops, you can imagine how enriched we've been learning from the different places that we've been.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think both Russell and Kenric said it best. This work is energizing to me. I get up every morning, and every time I get to do a workshop here over the last 6 years, I gain energy from the students' dynamicity and creativity and how they kind of think through ideas in ways that at my stage in life I can never kind of think through ideas. And so that's kind of my purpose and my reason why is to engage those students. And I think we're having the same effect here in Austin with these pharmacy students, and we're really kind of excited to kind of keep this going. And so we have upcoming workshops that we'll talk about a little bit shortly.
And I guess I'll just add that for me, the other enriching part is being able to work with these amazing individuals on my right and my left. And oftentimes when we talk about the importance of having people of color in spaces, just the fact that we're here and we're able to talk about our experiences, to share that with these students, for them to see that there are opportunities for them to also take their space and be in these positions of leadership. So that's really, really powerful and impactful.
And beyond just our time here, our commitment to the students are far-reaching. So we invite them to take us up on an offer to help them along their journeys while in school. So I think one of the biggest benefits of E2P is that it's really not a theoretical approach; it's a practical approach to how they can better themselves as professionals. Right, what we can do in the process. So this isn't call us in a year, call us in 2 years. What we can do today to help them, and as they see themselves and take their rightful place in this public health space.
And so, I think for all the reasons you've heard, we are continuing to be enthusiastic about this work. I think one of the significances of where we're standing right now is this is an ending HIV epidemic priority jurisdiction, and many of our engagements thus far have been in ending the HIV epidemic priority jurisdictions. I think mobilizing Black and Latino pharmacists, nursing students, medical students, public health students, professionals of the future is a good enough reason for me to continue this work unapologetically until the epidemic is won. And so, we're here in Austin for the next couple of days, and we actually look forward to moving on to Montgomery, Alabama, another EHE jurisdiction at the end of January in partnership with HPTN 096 study. I think it'll be great.